I believe, yes, they are. After all, the private sector forms part of the society that we live in. But there do need to be checks and balances. Sometimes there are market failures. On the other hand, there are a lot of examples where private sector and societal compatibility are demonstrated. And those should be more publicized and shared. And there should be greater sensitization of private sector and the broader society as to the benefit of increasing this compatibility and joint action. I think the pharmaceutical industry has incorporated itself quite well into the fabric of society. When you think of us having vaccines as children, medicines if you're not well, perhaps more long-term medications later on in life. I think the challenge is how the pharma industry can further incorporate itself and support education of people, preventive health care more, education and training of health professionals, and in that way go beyond just providing medications to being more healthcare companies. What are examples of aligning society's needs and biopharmaceutical innovation? The latter tends to focus on developing new pharmaceutical agents, vaccines, therapies, oftentimes variants of things that we already have. And what's really needed is biopharmaceutical social innovation in the sense of paying attention also to delivery and to adherence to some of the innovations. The innovation that we need is in that area more than pure biopharma. What's the line between government and society's responsibility and the role of industry in addressing societal needs? Well, I think that the key is in the difference between what and how, and that government has the responsibility for setting policy about what are some of the societal goals to be addressed. And the role of industry is in working together with government and civil society in how. An example is our Pan-American Forum for Action on Chronic Disease, which brings together government, private sector, and civil society.